Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is a Nissan Quest 2004. Look at the RPM, over 1000. Our problem is this car, all monitors are ready, and I was at the inspection machine to program it. First it failed because of data mismatch. Even the VIN number is good, but the computer is seeing data mismatch. So now what I'm going to do is I need to, after we need to program it, it say we get a quote. This is 2004, VIN number, everything the same. We go to diagnose, control unit, engine, the code may not go away unless, okay, look at the code. Read code. You see this code. ID is very high, so I'm gonna escape it. I'm gonna erase the code. Yes, yes. The check engine light is gone. But now I'm gonna go back to see my monitors. Come to check engine, come to check OBD. Automatic selection. Why this one? I don't need this one. OBD here. Auto scan. I just want to know if the monitor is ready. Since it cleared it. Monitor okay, incomplete. 1 incomplete, catalytic incomplete, evap incomplete, oxygen incomplete, EGR incomplete. So we need 4 monitors. But before we do that, just to avoid getting another problem, is to do one thing. I gotta go back to history. And then go to Nissan Quest 2004. This is that the code I have. Say okay. Now I just want to go and do one thing, hot function, throttle. Because the RPM limit stop the AC.
Yeah,
Is temperature. Off. So now it's off. Self-learning, idle volume learn engine. Start the car. Okay, say okay. Continue. Start. You see now you pull down. Execute learning. complete. Now everything, at least bottom part, why? Because it stay there, it's learned already. But if I turn the key off, you see the gauge also is not good. So that one is normal. So if we go down a little bit, it's not bad. So we're gonna put gas, at least a little bit more than like $10–15 extra, and then we're gonna drive this car. When the monitor are ready, we come back and do the inspection. Thank you.